Cruise ships are here.
Yeah.
You can either get your own private tour, a taxi at the cruise ship, taxi driver, how much it would cost, or walk 1k and there's a free city bus that brings you to the port wall. Sign free shuttle to city centre. We never knew this was here. From that point you make your decision. Bus stop. So the free shuttle bus has dropped us off right here, inside that gate, Port Maritime, and then you're at your own devices. We've walked a bit to the town hall. Come past the town hall, have a look at the town hall, and we're going to walk to the old harbour. There's some boats coming in, we might get a boat trip. If you want to do your own boat trips, this is the old harbour. Right, in the left hand corner and in the right hand corner there are boat trips. And it potentially takes you back to the cruise ship or that area. I don't think it's free. You can get a cheap trip there, it's just getting there. It's making this distance here if you're willing to walk. It's a bit warm. If you wanted a beach, get the 82 or 83 bus. It brings you down here, round the corner, and there's some very small beaches that are very busy.